think I should make a bracelet today. Let me go grab my beads. I only have one more bead left.
Ashley, fun time is the best fun time around.
Well, you can make your own beads at home. Like this, I have quite a few. I have a lot. This one's a really big one, and apparently Facebook and some beads even have a dude's face on it. So I do have a lot of beads. And I did make a bead necklace, but it's not really a necklace. It can't fit me at all. I upgraded from this container, well, without this bead. I upgraded from this container to this container because I just made way too many beads. So, today I'll be showing you how to make those beads today. The things that you will need for this project is, or are, is it is or are? I don't know. I'm gonna say the things that you'll need for this project is a flyer, like those free things you can get at the Michael's or Hobby Lobby or a craft store or whatever. Or you could also use magazine paper. You will also need a glue stick or just liquid glue, a pair of scissors that could have been very dangerous, and a toothpick or one of these things. Me and my dad made this. We just took an old screwdriver and soldered on some solder. But you could also use a toothpick, or like I did, I used a skewer that you make kebabs out of, and I just took it and I cut off a small little piece so that I know where the opening is, and that's how I made this. See, it's a little off, which you want, you want that to be off. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So, what you need to do first is take your sheets and tear off the ones that you like, or you don't. Well, this one's pretty useless because it has white on it, so you don't need those. So you can just throw that in your trash can. Do tear off the ones that have a little bit of color. If they have holes in the top like mine does, hey, I see you, then you want to cut that off. So now I have one whole thing without a hole. So now what you want to do is, if it's folded like this, keep it folded. You want to cut a triangle. So, by the way, I haven't made these in a long time, so just saying. So you just want to cut these into triangles. If they're really rough like that, throw that away too. But you really want them to be like a smooth triangle with a point at the top. See that? Oh. Just looking through the viewfinder right there. See? Hello, viewfinder. Want to cut it into triangles. Depending on how wide your triangle is will be the length. So once you get down to this point, you can pretty much throw this away. So now you have like a million triangles. It's raining triangles from out of the sky. So take the side that you want and just stick it on there. And as I said, just start rolling it. Leave some room at the top so that you can attach your glue, like put your glue on there. And then hold it down for like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you can unstick it. Yeah. And then you take it off. And there you have a wonderful looking bead. The next step is to keep making beads until you're out of triangles, or you just get bored of it, or just keep making triangles until you're happy. Like until you want to stop. That's basically what I'm saying. So I think that's it for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. And yeah, the question of the day is, did you like my project? If you did, leave a like. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a super fun day. Bye.